Hi students, welcome back. Exercise 5.3, 10th question, arithmetic progression. Show that A1, A2, A3 up to AN forms an AP where AN is defined as below. Also find sum of first 15 terms in each case. So the first subdivision given here is AN equal to 3 plus 4n. Now solve your first condition as asked in your question. Show that this forms an AP. So that will be your first agenda to solve. So first substitute the value of n to be 1. So a1 equal to 3 plus 4, that is equal to 7. a2 equal to 3 plus 8, that is equal to 11. Similarly a3 equal to 3 plus 12, 15. So a2, the common difference is nothing but a2 minus a1. So 11 minus 7 equal to 4. Similarly a3 minus a2. So 15 minus 11 equal to 4. So this forms an AP of the first term a to be 7 and the common difference is 4. So the first part of the question is solved. So that they have asked us to find, show that it forms an AP. Yes, this forms an AP with the starting, that is the first term a to be 7 and the common difference to be 4. They are asking yes 15, that is equal to n by 2. So 15 by 2 into 2 into 7 plus 14 into 4, n minus 1. So 15 minus 1 is 14 into d 4, that is equal to, when you solve this, 15 by 2 into 14 plus 56. Now when you solve the sequence, you get the sum value to be 525. So this is your first subdivision. They have asked to find whether it forms an AP. Yes, this forms an AP with the sequence of starting A is 7 and common difference 4. The value of sum of first 15 terms is 525. Now we'll see the second subdivision. An equal to 9 minus 5n. The same process as we did for the first subdivision. Find a1, that is equal to 9 minus 5, that is 4. Similarly, a2 is equal to 9 minus 10, that is equal to minus 1. a3 is equal to 9 minus 15, that is equal to minus 6. Now the common difference is nothing but minus 1 minus 4, that is minus 5. Similarly, minus 6 plus 1, that is equal to minus 5. So common difference is minus 5. Therefore a equal to 4 and common difference is minus 5. Now find the value of sum 15. So 15 by 2 into a value is 4 plus n minus 1. So 14 into minus 5. So that is equal to 15 by 2 into 8 minus 70. Right? So when you solve this, you get the value minus 465 as your sum of first 15 terms for this sequence of AP. Right? This forms an AP with the common difference minus 5 and the starting A is 4. And they are asked us to also find the sum of first 15 terms. So yes, 15 is equal to minus 465. So this is your 10th question. Next video, we'll see the upcoming questions present in your exercise 5.3. Thank you.